K-Care Customs to talk about a couple builds we got in the shop and some services that we offer here at the shop. So this is a very valuable customer of ours that came in looking for some upgraded seats. The seats that they previously had in the Jeep were just worn, faded, not really that comfortable, so they wanted a pretty cool upgrade. So we put in front and rear Cobra seats. They're a nice leather perforated style. Gives you a lot of extra style in here. Really clean installation, just makes the Jeep look way better overall. They also came to us with a complaint of kind of moldy, worn out carpet. So one thing that we were able to do was take all the carpet out of this Jeep and install a bed tread system inside of it. This is going to be a fully waterproof, easy to clean material, so whenever it rains, the rain's just going to run off, the dirt's going to be easy just to sweep out. Just so much easier than having to deal with carpet. This is just an awesome upgrade for any Jeep. This system is also available in trucks for the better trucks. So this is another very special truck that we've had the pleasure of doing a lot of work to. So we've done lift kit, wheels, tires, we've done lighting on it, we've done a very cool roof rack for throwing cargo up on the top. And another service we've also done to this truck is a Line-X premium spray and bed liner. So the premium has the UV protection on it, give that light new finish for an additional 10 to 15 years. Just a really beautiful overall spray and bed liner. But today this customer is here just to get another service that we perform, which is inspections. So he's getting a safety and emissions inspections so he can renew his tags. The next service that we like to perform here at the shop is soft top upgrades. So this customer came in, said that he had a worn out soft top, had some holes in it, it's just really faded. So what we did for him, we ordered him a best top Trek top. This is going to be a really nice system. It's going to make it a lot easier for lifting up the top, taking it down. It's just a really cool, really good look for the Jeep. It's kind of a slanted back style, so it's just really unique, and it's going to really help him out over the summer. So this is the soft top that actually came out of the customer's Jeep. As you can see, it's brittle, it's cracked, it's ripped everywhere, it's faded. It's just not in good shape anymore. So this customer's going to really enjoy his new best top Trek top. Next we have a Jeep Cherokee XJ that we're going to be doing some fender flares on. So this customer came to us stating that they wanted to put bigger tires on without really having to lift their vehicle. So what we've done, we have taken their fender line and we have cut higher up on the vehicle and then installed the fender flares, so that way they'll have more room for bigger tires without needing as much lift, just to give it a little bit better driving experience for this customer. Next we have a full restoration Jeep that we've been working on. It just came back from the paint shop. He used the same color that he previously had, just really freshened everything up, as well as painted the top. And right now we're putting everything back together so that way this customer is ready for summer. Another service that we offer here at K-Care Customs is driveline services. So this customer came in stating that he had a weird sound and feeling coming from his front end. And whenever we opened up the differential, we found that he had broken teeth inside of his gear set. So what we've done is we've taken the old gear set out and we're putting a new gear set in, and we're going to put everything back together, and it's going to make this Jeep perform the way it should. Another very cool service that we do here is power side steps. So a lot of people don't like the look of just a traditional step that's just always hanging down, always in the way. You know, some people are just scared of taking it out on the trail and clipping it on something. So this customer opted for a power series, and what this is going to do is this is going to connect in with the door, so that way whenever he opens the vehicle, the side step is going to drop down a good couple inches so he can get in and out of it much easier. And then whenever he closes the door, the side steps are going to tuck up under the vehicle, so that way they're out of sight, out of mind. Alrighty, so another services that we perform here at Cape Fear Customs is undercoating. So this customer came in wanting to do a refreshing on the undercarriage of his vehicle. He spent a lot of time at the beach and here in the Wilmington salty climate, and he wanted to cover up all the rust and make it look like new under his truck again. So what you can see we've done here is we've taken everything that needs to be wrapped up, everything that can't be sprayed with undercoating material. We've completely wrapped up everything, and now what we've done is we've taken the undercoating material and we sprayed everywhere underneath, and it looks really great, very nice and shiny, very natural looking. Just kind of really brings this truck to life again. This is going to give him a lot of protection, so that way when he's driving on the beach or taking it up north, anywhere he goes, he's not going to have to worry about getting rust under his vehicle and hurting his overall appearance under here. So as we come to the end of services that we offer here at the shop, we just wanted to touch on what we do again. Lift kits, wheels, tires, best tops, soft tops, basic maintenance, front and rear bumpers, Line-X undercoating, pretty much any service that you could possibly think of, we do it here, which is awesome. If you have an idea, bring it to us. This is where dreams come true. We just put everything into perspective and make it a reality for you. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you follow us and subscribe on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everything. We appreciate you guys tuning in, and check us back out next week. Thank you.